What is financial literacy? The 5 principles you need to know. Financial literacy should be an integral part of everyone's life. In this video, I am taking you through what exactly financial literacy is and how you can become proactive with your money. People pay huge sums of money to financial experts for this knowledge. In this video, you will get this knowledge free of charge without paying anything. I don't charge fees for webinars or seminars. You can reward me or show appreciation by liking and subscribing to my channel. Without wasting time, let's go straight to what financial literacy means. Financial literacy is being equipped with financial knowledge, principles and concepts, and making use of a variety of skills to move around your personal finances and achieve your aims. It refers to the knowledge that includes how to earn, manage, and invest money, and it has a critical impact on students' ability to make smart choices. This knowledge includes everything from understanding your tax liabilities and compound interest to financial planning and debt management. The skills you gain should be able to help you with many financial goals, including investing, retirement planning, and budgeting. Ultimately, financial literacy helps you make better financial decisions and improves your overall financial well-being. Not understanding your finances can be dangerous. It can lead to bad decision-making and missed opportunities, which in turn could mean you your money or even deplete your savings. In the United States of America, Financial Literacy Month is April each year. The 5 principles of financial literacy. Let's take a look at the 5 principles and how you can put them into practice. 1. Earn. 2. Save and invest. 3. Protect. 4. Spend. 5. Borrow and manage debt. Earn. Your income is the foundation of your finances. How much you earn, where you earn it, and how you manage your income should be the first things you look at when developing your financial literacy. It is important to note that earning from multiple streams of income is healthy for your financial growth and freedom. Don't limit your earnings to only one income source. Get multiple streams of income. Some income source may give you frequent cash flow, some daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or once a while. Some may generate huge amount of income, others may be little but may supplement your income. Save and invest. Creating a budget and planning for the future is one of the most important ways to achieve your financial goals. It allows you to build your wealth and develop ways you can make your money work harder for you. Here are some of the most important aspects when it comes to saving and investing. Create a budget. Have a plan for your money and stick to it as best you can, monitoring your income and expected monthly expenses. Implement saving pots. One of the best pieces of advice is to start small. Put money into savings pots, house funds, wedding funds, retirement, or life insurance. These don't have to be huge amounts, either. Putting a little bit by each week or month, depending on when your pay comes through, will go a long way. Start investing. Investing is an effective way to build your wealth. However, it's important to invest wisely and safely to protect your money while still generating returns on your investments. Spend. In life, you can't do without spending. However, understanding your cash flow and how you spend is crucially important to meeting your financial goals and improving your financial literacy. Are you spending wisely? Or do you come to the end of the month and wonder where your money has gone? Here are 2 important things to remember regarding spending. Track your spending. Using your budget or other tracking tools can help you monitor what you're spending your money on. This can help identify any areas for improvement and help you stop spending unnecessarily. Spend mindfully. Being mindful of how you spend can lead to financial freedom. Having enough money to cover your expenses and live the lifestyle you and your family desire without worrying about financial constraints. Protect. Life is full of unexpected eventualities, such as losing your job, big home repairs, or an unexpected bill. So, it's essential you protect your finances and take steps to safeguard your financial future. The best way to do this is to create an emergency fund. According to financial advisors, you must aim to have at least 3 months' worth of expenses saved for emergencies. In this case, should the worst happen, you are prepared. When protecting your finances, you should also prioritize the following. Getting insurance. Insurance, such as health, home, car and life insurance, gives you and your family peace of mind, providing a financial safety net to help you through the unexpected. Retirement planning. Protecting your retirement fund is vital to ensure you grow your nest egg enough to sustain you throughout this new chapter of your life. Estate planning. This involves getting your affairs in order and deciding how you want your assets to be distributed. Borrow and manage debt. It is important to note that borrowing is part of our financial life. However, borrowing wisely is essential to build your credit and avoid getting into unnecessary debt. Do not borrow when you don't have anything in mind to use the money for. It is imperative to include the following in your financial planning. Be strategic with your debt. When borrowing money, ensure you're always borrowing within your means and have a clear and management repayment plan. Make repayments on time or early. When making repayments, it's essential you don't fall behind. Always make your repayments on time to avoid damaging your credit score. Monitor your credit score. Debt can impact your credit score, so it's vital you keep an eye on how it's performing and intervene when necessary. Thank you for watching. Watch out for more financial management tips. If this video sounds meaningful to you, bless me by liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you.